Art Center, Center for National Culture, Accra. And this is Going Ghana and More Drum Shop. We produce drums, wooden sculptures, basket paintings, and all the drums, the symbols on them have meaning. This is symbol of unity. Together we stand strong. And this is symbol of wisdom and knowledge. Yeah, we have to seek wisdom and knowledge. And the drums, we have them different sizes. They goes with their bags, easy to carry. And the maxes are having meanings to different region with their marks and the use of it. Yeah. Symbol of good luck, elephant trunk up. Yeah, man. We have here two lovers, king and queen. Every man must have a wife, and every woman must have a husband, so that they will keep growing. Yeah. And this is another style of drum. This Ghanaian traditional drum is called palingo. But the djembe is from West Africa, Ghana, Senegal, Burkina, yeah, more countries. Sometimes if you have your own symbol, you want it to be carved, we do that too. This is called Adinkra symbol. Yeah, man. More repatriation, come back home.
Yes, sir. One love.
Every brother and sister must come back home.
Yes, sir.